Good morning, my loves! Ayan, tapos na tayo sa ating jogging. And, of course, meron tayong another errand for today, which is yung magre-rent na ating drone. So, this one, prepare na rin tayo dahil isang pick-up na lang doon malapit sa atin. So, pahinga muna kami for 1 hour dito. And, ipe-prep ko na yung agreement for the rental ng ating drone. So, my loves, napakamura lang nito. DJI Mini 2. So, you have 3 battery packs na ready. And then, yung controller. And then, yung mismong drone. Kasama na yung kanyang bag. So, para hindi kayo mahirapan kapag magre-rent kayo. And also, yung charger nandito rin sa kanyang bag. This one. Yung mga different cables, propellers, if ever masira, meron kayo emergency. SD card reader. And also, yung mga different cable for iPad, for USB Type-C, yung 8-pin na USB, meron tayo complete. And aside from this, ito yung charger. Charger which is Type-C para sa ating battery. So, this one. 3 battery packs na yan. So, dito siya. Type-C lang siya. Para lang siyang phone. Mga latest phones. And then, the bag, waterproof na din siya. So, hindi ka na mahihirapan. Whenever you travel, at kapag hiniram mo siya. And then, the drone itself, I will explain this to you from the meetup, yung araw kung kailan tayo magkikita, and also for the reservation, I'll explain how to use this. Same with the Insta360. Ganito lang siya. Compact. Very compact. DJI Mini 2 rent. 1 day lang yun, my loves. And then, this one is the Insta360. Ayan, kasama siya lagi ng drone for 750. Dalawa na po yan for 1 day. So, this one, ang available pa lang is 8 gig of storage, while this one is 512 gig. So, marami kayong pwedeng ma-shoot. So, for the Insta360, we have the pouch. Ready na yung pouch. Ready na rin yung ating wipes niya, panglinis ng lens, para hindi malabo. So, make sure that every time you shoot, kailangan pupunasan mo muna siya. And ito, para pag gagamitin niyo siya sa mga food vlogs, hindi siya mapapasa. DIY lang itong nagawa. Ay, hindi siya mapasa. Together with the Insta360, ang kanyang bullet shot na tripod stand. So, ito yung kanyang tripod effect. Ikot mo lang dyan and you have your tripod stand. And expandable na ito, my loves. So, you can use this Insta360 also as a drone. Ayan, ready na siya. And for the bullet, tatanggalin nyo lang siya. Tapos, ikakabit nyo dito sa kabit. Again, ituturo ko po sa inyo ito sa meetup. Pag yan, pag napasok nyo na to, then sa dulo, yung ating Insta360, and then for the bullet effect, karagyan nyo. Okay. So again, for 750 pesos, you have the Insta360 and then the drone DJI Mini 2 for 750. So if you want to rent, please visit, follow, and share Shotna Camera for Rent. Thank you so much!
My loves, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit follow, subscribe, and share this video. Let's spread happiness and love, love, love!